Hi boys and girls, this is your math instruction for Wednesday, November 4th. We have two targets today. Let's talk about the first one first. This is something we've been doing all week. I can add three numbers together to find the sum. And just a reminder that the sum is the answer to an addition problem. This is really important for us to remember. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and work first of all on this paper that you have in your packet, okay? You need to be able to read the problem here. If you need help, you can ask a parent, but you can write a model, you can do an equation, whatever you need in order to solve this problem. So children are running, 4 of them are running. There are 3 children skipping, and there are 2 children walking. How many children are out there? Okay, so make sure you write an equation or find a way to solve that. You're going to do the same thing with these 2 here. You're going to read and find the 3 different numbers and add them together. If you need to find a spot on the paper to do an equation or make a model, you can do that. There are 18 pencils down below. Haley has 6 pencils and Mac has 3 pencils. How many did Sid have? Ooh, we know that Haley had 6 and Mac had 3. If I add those 2 together, I bet I can figure out how many more Sid needed. I want you to think about that. Math on the spot means they kind of put you on the spot or throw you into the learning pit to figure that out. Find a way to solve that problem. Maybe you can draw a model for each one and see how many more we need to get up to that total sum of 18. Okay? On the back, there's some more bubbling in. This is test prep, and the reason they're having us do this is all your life you're going to be having these kinds of questions where we bubble in the correct answer, okay? So if you will read this, there are 4 big rocks, 3 medium rocks, and 5 small rocks in the yard. Write an equation for both of these and bubble in your answer. And then down below, we just have 2 questions. You have to decide whether you're adding them or subtracting them. You are welcome, if you need to pause this video so that you can go back and listen to my directions if you need to. That's a really good thing if that is helpful to you. The other paper you have is turnaround facts. Now this is talking about our next target really. I can add in any order. We talked last week how that is called the commutative property of addition, but some people have nicknames for it like the order property or the flip-flop facts. Another nickname for that is turnaround facts. And so you're going to write, this has 3 plus 2 equals blank. Over here, you're going to flip-flop it to write 2 plus 3. So you're going to switch the order of each of these numbers. 5 plus 3 is the sum here. Over here, we're going to switch the order and write 3 plus 5. Okay? If you need help, come back and look at this website or this video instruction, or you can ask a parent. But remember, we're just flipping the order. 3 plus 2, 2 plus 3. Make sure you solve them, okay? Flip-flop them around, all right? Today, for our science, you are going to design your own habitat. And actually, this is a desert habitat. You have this paper in your packet. It shows a desert habitat. You can take it, color it in any way you want, and then you have a page with 3 desert animals. Do you see them? You can color them. You can cut them, you can put them in the desert. This is their habitat, okay? Now, boys and girls, do you have to just stick with the ground squirrel, an owl, and a coyote? No, there are other things that might live in this habitat like lizards, road runners, different types of insects. Scorpions are not really an insect, they're an arachnid, actually, so kind of in the spider family. So you can put anything else in here that you want. There are different types of birds or anything that might live in this habitat, okay? And you can create that any way you want. Kind of fun. All right? That is our instruction for math and science today. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.